Hi guys, now here we are going to see how we are going to use this is an image and how we are going to transform this to another one image. I will show you how to transform from this image to this image, how to create this effect and close everything. Just open only this. Now maximize it. Just if you want, you can increase the background size if you want. Otherwise, you can use the same size. Now, basically, to start with, you have to check on the brush size. First, you select a default brush, a smooth brush like this. Okay. And next, brush size, keep it to say around 60 to 70 and try applying on it like this. See if everything is okay. Control Z. Then go to Windows. Go and click on layers. Say the layer. What you do is first you create a layer and first you finish off this part. You want to use anything, any shape you want to use. But when you do this, make sure in the top you have three. One is a shape, one is a path, and one is a pixel. You have to click on the path and rotate it, push it down to the required area and keep it like this. Okay, make sure the text color and the brush size. Okay, these two things are very important. Click on the hardness, right click, keep the hardness like this. And now it's time for you, just click on this shape tool, go over here, right click, click on stroke path. Here you have an option like this. Don't do anything. For each tutorial I'll just show you different effects. Just take down the steps. Okay, click on, if you need the steps, I'll just later on I'll just put it in the description. You can just follow it. If you need, please comment. I'll just send you in the description. Click on OK. So you get a path like this. And here what you do is you make a copy of it. Okay, Control J. So you have two copies, one with extra glow, and one with the ordinary glow. So now this one with extra glow, what I'm going to do is I'll go to the brush again and increase the size. Like this. Okay, and change the color to blue color and click on this again, right click, stroke and path and brushes, click on OK. Now you can just see the brush size, slightly reduce it, and if you are not feeling happy with this, then what you can do is go to undo. Again, what you can do is go to the brush Reduce the brush size. See exactly how it is. Slightly bigger. Okay. Go to the path. Same procedure. Go to stroke path. Brush and click on OK. Right. Now next what you do is select this part. Go to effects. Go to inner shadow. Opacity. You can increase it. See the setting how it is. Make it bright. You can just see different presets are there. You try adjusting whichever you want. Okay. Inner glow. Click on the inner glow. Inner shadow is this. Don't use it. Make sure that you're selecting which. And here opacity is full. And you can just see the white color. Here you can just see the type. So you get a glow effect here. And here you can just click on precise or whichever type you use. Now next goes to the outer glow. Outer glow you can increase it. You can spread it if you want. Like this, and you can just click on next step is drop shadow. Okay, click on the drop shadow, change this to this part, opacity, keep the size to the full. You can just see the drop shadow hitting over here, and change this to this part. Okay, and change it to slightly brighter. Click on OK. Now this part is over, and here you have another part, extra glow. So now this extra glow, what you do is go to filter, blur. So you can try all these effects, whichever effect is you're happy with it, you can just release it, and you can just reduce the opacity of. Now that finishes this part. Now these two things, what you do is you select these two and make it into a group. Name it as neon effect. Now you go back to the background. Okay, you go back to this background and you select the hue and saturation. You select this in the property, select over here hue and saturation, and here you adjust the hue and saturation to bluish color. To adjust it so that you get the perfect one. And now next what you do is okay, only this, double click on it and go and press Alt and move slightly. Press this also. just keep it to this point. Right click. Okay. Now click on OK. Now the things are perfect now. Now next what you do is you have to create a mask. For that you have to go to this background, the original one, go to select and click on subject. You got the subject and go to this neon effect and you add a mask to this. Understood? Both are grouped together. Can you see here? Both are grouped together and here you are putting it. Now next what you do is you have to, can you see here? All these images are inside this. So I'll select this mask. Control I. Now we get this in black. Okay, so select this. Go to the brush. Change that to white. Click on the brush. Make sure increase it. What it does. Do all that. So you can just let this be as it is. The more you do, it looks bad. So you can now try using the filter. You can blur it. Sorry. You can just blur. But once you blur it, you can just see going to affect those areas. So don't do it. Now next we want to add some effects or something. You can just add. You can add a layer. A layer of here like this, and you can use the brush. Increase the brush size. You can use cloud effect or whatever. I'm going to use this smoke effect. Okay, so you can use a mask here. Look here. Select this. Change to whichever color you want. Go over here, go to adjust the hue. Adjust. And select this. You can just change the color, make it to normal. Go to image adjust, and you can go to hue saturation. Whatever effects you want, you can just give. I showed you some effects like this. Just change as want, you can just use. So that's it. So keep trying the effects, and also please subscribe, give your valuable comments. If you want something extra, I'll just show you step by step, and more tutorials with all effects. Like, this is one simple effect which I showed you. You can make it much more natural by applying brushes, layer styles and things. Okay, thank you very much.